Numerals. Basic numbers 0 to 9. 0 Ray. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9。The numbers 0 to 9 are the building blocks of Japanese counting. 4 can be read as yon or shi, and 7 can be read as nana or shichi. The choice of reading can depend on context, though yon and nana are more commonly used in everyday situations to avoid the readings shi and shichi, which are associated with death and bad luck. Tens 10 to 90. Ju, Juichi, Juni, Jusang, Juyong, Jushi, Jugu, Juruku, Junana, Jushichi, Juhachi, Jukyu, Juku, Niju. Sanju, Yonju, Goju, Rokuju, Nanaju, Shichiju, Hachiju, Kyuju. Ju means 10 and you build the tens by combining Ju with the numbers 1 through 9. For example, Niju, 2 tens, and Sanju, 3 tens. Hundreds, 100 to 900. Yaku, Niyaku, Sambyaku, Yonyaku, Goyaku, Ropyaku, Nanakyu, Hapyaku, Kyuyaku. Yaku means 100, and you build the hundreds by combining yaku with the numbers 1 through 9. Notice the sound changes in 300, sambyaku, rupyaku, and hapyaku for easier pronunciation. Thousands, 1,000 to 9,000. Sen, nisen, sanzen, yonsen, gosen, rokosen, nanasen, hassen, kyusen. Sen means 1,000, and you form the thousands by combining sen with the numbers 1 through 9. Similar to hundreds, sanzen and hassen have sound changes for easier pronunciation. Higher numbers: Ichiman, Juman, Yakuman, Senman, Ichi-uku. In Japanese, man is considered a basic unit, unlike in English where the basic unit is 1,000. 1 million or Yakuman is 110,000, not a million. Fractions and decimals. Raiten Hachisan, Junana Tengo, Nibo no Ichi, Yunbo no San. Fractions are expressed in the form x bono y, where x is the denominator and y is the numerator. For example, 1/2 is Nibo no Ichi, which literally means 1 part out of 2. Decimals are expressed with the word 10, meaning point. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Matane!